Pay me my salary, I want to marry.
My people, how it be for your area? Gloria.
My area, we thank God for everything. Still the past life they go. And Baba God don't make us see today, we tell him thank you.
The Tori, if you like say, Madam Gloria just a smile. Better day your area.
Thank God. How we go do? As we wake up, see the brightness of the day.
We go say, God, we thank you. Evelyn, no one talk. Yes, I don't know whether you understand salad and waiting. Now evening, waiting they do no good though.
No.
Now you chop for your area before you come here today.
They say now what God give us now, we collect to. We'll tell them with 2 hands. We'll tell them say thank you.
All right.
Do with that.
My people, we don't know how it be for your area, but anyhow way it be, we there for Procyon Radio and Television today. They carry program can't give una. We be area Tori. This area Tori will they carry different Tori can't give una. And we want to say I beg, make una they stay with us. Subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments for our comment section. This program they come because we want to let people know the different things where they happen for area. Wetin dey happen for area right now na the one wey be say people dey rush anywhere where dem see food na im dem dey rush go carry. Evelyn and Gloria, the thing wan tire us o. The kind action wey people dey put and the kind mind wey dem dey put inside, they no even care whether if I reach there I fit go fall down, something go happen to me, or dem go hit me, I go die. You no understand?
Now because of the hunger, now why you see say nobody care whether you live or die again? Because if you survive there, if you come back house, if you die of hunger, so it better make you die for there. They look food, and to come back house you no get food.
Now so it be.
Now so it be.
I look at like say some people they over exaggerate the thing.
Don't reach that stage.
You don't reach that stage. You don't reach that stage now.
That's all I mean. Hey, so my people. Now the Tori, what would they carry come with that? The way things they happen for our area, you know, this one now, what we don't see say people they block truck, we carry food. Any truck where they see say carry food, they don't mind again. No. They go just rush, go carry up. Just everybody go, they pack the food, they go, pack the food, they go. Wait till it come new. Some people talk say, nah, stealing with that. Some people talk say, hunger no stealing, no. Say that because the people they hungry, now make them they go carry things wey no belong to them. Because it not belong to them. So waiting we want talk here now be say, how you see am? Now thief be this, abi now hunger now they make people go do this kind of thing. You know the reason why some people they talk say na thief. Make I tell una, because before una go talk una own, because where people go thief food, then see door of the house, then break the door, they carry door, they go, that one na food, that one no be food.
That one no be food.
Then carry window, they carry all the irons wey be say they feel say they go fit sell am to make small money. Now there nine people come to say no, this one no be hunger again. If you like say na hoodlums, people wey want thief, na im dey use opportunity. So but people, once they don't use that opportunity, people when they're hungry will come enter inside. Do you understand? Come they commot things. Now thief, now if it is, it good make person go where they keep food. We not belong to you. Go they carry and say in the hungry. Now the thing way when they talk with that. Make you drop your home for comment section. My name is Sarah Abo. I get Evelyn Harry.
Thank you now. Well done though.
I also get Gloria Eno. We there for area today.
My people, we don't dey there wait for them. No, listen to us very well.
Okay. So Gloria, how you be?
My people agree to us. I don't just want to wait. No, listen to us very well today. We are here. This matter where don't reach ground. We know say the hunger where they don't reach where they go. They enter anywhere carry something. But now want me, I see they look. I just sit down. They think I say, "Kai, no. If you do like that, if law catch you, law will tell you say na stealing." Because anything we do, you go sit back, think am. What if they catch me? other people fit go there, pick the thing, go, then go free. What of if you go, then catch you? They go talk say you steal am. Why you go be say you steal am? No be your food. No be you keep am there. Person wey go break the door, break the window, pack am, make opportunity for people to enter there, pack the food. They don't carry their own load. They never catch anybody. But anybody wey dem go catch, na im luck go home. So wetin me I see inside that thing be say, kai, e better o, make we no go. Make we no go carry. Maybe you carry one bag of rice. You carry 10 tuber of yam. You carry garri. You come because say they go catch you. The food you no eat, they go catch you, go lock you. Okay. Your children might go suffer. The suffer go pass the one way you dey with them. You better make we think say make them for the do be say make we dey hustle. Abeg, make we comot. Dey find wetin we go take our hand do. We go bring the small money wey we go take dey buy food eat. Because if we hold small money, small food dey ma wey we dey buy. You know why I talk like that for our own area? If you hold like 500 naira. You go carry potato 500 naira. If you put am for pot, even though una be 5 for that house, you go do una. You peel am if you like, you cook am with the pan. Una go eat that day. Than to say you go to carry rice, then catch you, the father of 5 children,
or you die,
you die. Abeg, make we hustle. I remember the time when things hard. See this thing where they had, no be today start o. Okay. For the same this Nigeria, for the same as this our Kaduna o. Things don hard well. If we see people wey dey be house, we go start say, abeg oga, I wan fetch water o. Say, madam, you wan fetch water? You say, how much? That time, how much be drum? 20 naira. You go fetch water full drum, na 20 naira dem go give you. But now, you know how much drum be? E don reach 200. Some place, man, na 500 for one drum. If you see where dem dey build house, go tell them, say, abeg, I wan fetch water. Now, water no dey anywhere. If you struggle, you fetch like 3 drum. You go reach you eat with your children. Instead for your oga to go where dem go throw tear gas, or you ma dey go where you go carry food. From there, dem go kill you for nothing. Make you hustle. Make everybody get up the hustle so that the food go dey for our house.
All right.
Wetin I see be that.
Madam Gloria don talk better thing to us. Now she even carry us go back. Say no be today this kind of thing.
No be today. We don dey before.
So those wey never experience am before, una don hear. No be say e don start, e no go end. No, e don start, e get end. So I see Evelyn dey smile as you dey talk. E be like say Evelyn mind don go far.
You know, say she say make you go sit down, think am. Everybody dey think at this time now.
Okay.
Now 1-2 person dey think now at this time. Where I go find food chop? Some people don dey sit down. They no dey do anything before. They don't just look for opportunity. Just get the opportunity. As they say one opening, they just join. Go dey carry people thing. No be say they dey do something before, but they sit down. They wait for opportunity
to come.
And if other people can't give them that opportunity, una go see say this thing where they don't they start everywhere. They start for una they see they carry people trailer and everything. Tomorrow. No be that trailer again no go follow. They go start to follow us house by house.
You see?
House by house. House by and if you reach that, you know say police no go fit stop anything.
Yes.
Because that one will cause serious crisis. Because everybody go dey look for how you go protect himself. So e get plenty disadvantage wey this road wey we dey try to take. We know say everything, nothing dey easy now. But the little way you get, try and manage it. Or make una dey look for something where you go sustain the little thing where you get for hand. Na wetin me I get.
Now wisdom, now you talk with that. You understand? When person use wisdom, no matter the situation, you go feed the person small they go break. It go be like say you no go finish that day. God go make you pass am. Another day go come again. Small, you go dey pass am, they go.
It go even remind me something. On a Saturday, I see one man. This one a man. No, you know say na woman. And so you go see that we go follow house.
Yes, they beg.
I see one man. For broad daylight, this man knock my gate. They kneel down for ground. I say, "Oga, I beg go.
Stand up.
I beg, stand up. I don't want any problem." Say he go the next house na spaghetti they give am and macaroni they give am. I say, "Talk, make I look for wetin I get from inside." The little way I carry for inside, I say, "Oh yeah, take." Since you say now because of children. take. You know, but grown up man, may you kneel down like that for us.
Some not true. Some again, they use the opportunity. They people always sabi beg naturally. They go use that opportunity again. They follow house to house. They beg. Some like that. If you go another place tomorrow, you go see am. They do that kind of thing. You go they see am for different area. They do. Make una know they use opportunity. Make una if a challenge come, make una try face that challenge so that una go overcome am. You understand? We know say. E get situation wey be say person fit find himself wey him fit no comot, is allowed make you beg, make you look for help. But the one wey be say you go create on your own, say because thank God say people go talk say hunger dey, okay make I create this particular situation, make I also use am like opportunity take go dey beg. No do am o. Now when the thing don hook you, you know say no solution.
As you come talk this thing, I remember that same Saturday another woman come where we dey for salon. This woman say she don trek for Ambosen, they come to that side, they look for. She say she dey look for work. No, she say when they look for work, waiting she dey talk. But as she dey talk, say she dey look for work. If they get work, may they give her. No be the work because wetin she talk at the end, no be the work she dey look for. She dey look for money. Now money. Where she dey look for because as she come comot the girls there say kai this one no be beggar. You see they look the leg wey she say she trek from Sunday say the leg dey clean. The other girl say before she wan carry money give her boss as she take see the leg she know say that this one na lie. So you see people dey comot they comot
this opportunity. God will help us. God will see us through any difficult situation where we find ourselves. God say He will always make a way, and He will make way. Make we just believe. Make we just stay patient. Believe. Say yes, God will make way. We go pass through Him by the special grace of God. Then another thing where I want to talk now be say, some people again. This what did they call them? Palliative. No, be palliative. This I'm not gonna say stealing. This stealing. No be stealing. This thing where they take stop people, they collect their goods. Once they see any trailer will load something. You know, say you get women where they go bush markets. You get people where they do their own personal business. Yes, you understand? If una think say now government, now they always carry trailer, not be only government or not be only Dangote or other people, not be only them. Even the Dangote, una think say he happy. Na business they do. Yes. Because this thing when una collect from those kind of people, they know what they lose. You understand? They know what na business, they know what they lose. So make una no go meet yam market women when they go all this in Niger, different places. They go gather money in group, carry truck, then they go buy their goods. Carry they come. If una come see am for road, una do that kind of person, una don't keep person with that. It means say una they bring down another poor person like una. Or let me say the common man. The common man. I beg, because of those kind of people, make we stop all this thing. Because person go feel go market, go buy in things, say in they sell for market. They go so they collect crayfish because you know say crayfish na the protein where we get where they easy now. The meat now, the cows, they know they feel see them again. You understand? It is very expensive. So make una know they follow the ordinary man. I beg. Even the rich men self. You know good, na thief, now you the thief. Now so me I see am. You know good. And when you thief, how God will come there with you when you go feel help you to provide for you tomorrow?
If they steal for hunger, different.
Thief for hunger, they different. You hear, madam?
You know, wait.
Okay, now go.
You know, say you get one kind of hunger when you go feel go carry.
Yeah, when you carry, people go even say since na hunger,
forgive them. But if you know, say that thief where they want thief, now out of selfishness and out of I want. So you know, say that one, even if they don't catch you, it will catch you.
All right. So thank you very much. I don't hear from all of you now. We want to say, look, just because of our time, we could just round out the program. Anything where you get to talk. This one, when they did one, not thief. I be no be thief. Drop out for comment section. And the program where they come on our way in the area to live for Position Radio and Television. And then we dey for different social media handle. We dey for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. We also dey for Facebook. Just type Procure RTV. Una go see us. Then make una dey follow all the videos wey we don drop. Like, share, and also drop your comments. Those wey never subscribe, then make una help us dey subscribe. And then make una no forget dey follow us every time when we drop video. God go bless you. Thank you very much. Evelyn Harry, thank you for coming to area today.
Thank you.
Gloria Enoch, thank you
Thank
for
you
coming
very
to area. So wetin we wan talk be say make una dey take care of una sef. God go see us through. And make una dey shine like the star wey una be. My name na Sarah Agbo.